Stability, the state or quality of being fixed. Steadiness. Stability, resistance to change. Permanence. Stability. Tenkata Mirafi Geosynthetics. At Tenkata, we've been defining stability for more than 300 years. Tenkata Mirify geosynthetic materials have a long history of adding strength and stability while saving time and money. Methods of strengthening soil through layered reinforcement have been around for more than 2,000 years. The materials first used were reeds, grass, and brushwood, which possessed limited strength and durability. Today's mechanically stabilized earth walls and slopes are constructed with reinforced soil and consist of horizontal reinforcing elements such as steel strips or geosynthetics and a facing to prevent erosion. At Tenkata, our complete line of geosynthetics for mechanically stabilized earth systems offers state-of-the-art reinforcement for walls, slopes, and embankments. Tenkata Mirify geogrids and high-strength geotextiles infuse the soil with tensile resistance and greatly increase the height and stability of mechanical stabilized earth systems. It's a process that ensures your project is not only more efficient, but also more effective. Each project has its own specific needs and requirements. And at Tenkata, we have the right geosynthetics that will make a difference in our MSE system solutions. Tenkata Mirify geosynthetics for mechanically stabilized earth have three things in common: strength, durability, interaction. Mirigrid XT uniaxial geogrids are polyester geogrids that are woven and then coated with a polymer to provide dimensional stability. These products offer flexible, durable soil reinforcement with high long-term design strength. Developed in 1985, Mirigrid XT continues to stand the test of time and has been used in successful projects worldwide. Mirify PET geotextiles are woven from high tenacity, high molecular weight polyester yarns. This results in higher tensile strength than any comparable product, resistance to material creep, and excellent soil interaction. Mirify HP geotextiles are woven from high tenacity polypropylene yarns. In addition to high tensile strength and excellent soil interaction, Mirify HP geotextiles provide cost-effective reinforcement for MSE structures. Mirify PEC geocomposites combine high strength for reinforcement with the additional benefit of in-plane drainage capacity and high installation survivability. This material is the first composite geotextile to offer the reinforcement characteristics of geogrids and high-strength woven geotextiles, along with the favorable hydraulic qualities of non-wovens. Mirify M-Mesh Woven Mesh Geosynthetic is an open mesh biaxial geosynthetic designed specifically to stabilize the facing and reinforced soil slopes. It is UV stable and woven from green yarns for enhanced aesthetics while providing secondary reinforcement and erosion protection. So, with all these product options, which ones are correct for your application? The answer all depends on the project type, soils being reinforced, and the design life of the structure. For permanent mechanical stabilized earth walls, Mirigrid XT geogrids are the correct choice. These products provide stability with high strengths and lower costs. By using Mirigrid XT, costs can be cut by 25 to 50% when compared to conventional cast-in-place concrete retaining walls. The soil in the backfill area is reinforced with layers of Mirigrid XT. This takes pressure off the wall itself and allows more options in the wall facing, such as segmental retaining wall blocks, precast panels, or geosynthetic wrapped face walls. For temporary MSE walls, wrapped face geosynthetic reinforced soil is a proven concept. In this application, either Mirify HP polypropylene geotextile or PET polyester geotextiles should be used. The wrapped-faced wall allows temporary roadway diversion or channeling streams during the construction process. The geosynthetic reinforced wall takes up less site space than an unreinforced slope, making it a cost-effective alternative in construction. Depending on the project requirements, a reinforced soil slope may be the correct solution. A reinforced soil slope differs from an MSE wall in that the slope angle is typically less than 70 degrees. Steeper soil slopes mean more usable land, especially on limited right-of-way sites. By using Tenkata Mirified geosynthetics to mechanically stabilize soil, slope angles can be increased dramatically. The Mirified geosynthetic is layered between sections of soil during the construction process to intercept and stabilize potential failure planes. This eliminates the cost of a more expensive wall and speeds the development of a construction site. For most reinforced soil slopes, Miragrid XT is the correct choice. However, when fine grain or poorly draining soils are used, Mirify PEC geotextiles are a good alternative. Mirify PEC geotextile provides reinforcement and internal drainage to relieve pore pressure in poorly draining backfill materials. Also, reinforced soil slopes may be covered with vegetation to provide a green solution. This can be accomplished with the Mirify Mirislope system, which combines Mirify M-Mesh geosynthetic and an appropriate vegetation plan for the slope surface. Mirify M-Mesh Woven Mesh Geosynthetic retains the soil at the slope face, provides secondary reinforcement for the slope face, and significantly diminishes erosion problems while vegetation germinates. This product is typically used in conjunction with a face form or L-shaped wire basket to ease construction. The Mirify Mirislope system provides a durable yet green solution to steepened slope construction. Building embankments on weak foundations can be a construction challenge. Long-term effects of settling and erosion can put surface improvements at risk. But the proper use of Tenkata Mirified geosynthetics can not only provide long-term stability, they can eliminate the need for costly excavation and soil replacement. Depending on the specifics of the project, you can use Mirify HP or PET geotextiles directly on the soft foundation. The fill material can then be added with limited differential settlement. These high-strength geosynthetics offset the low shear strength of the foundation material and keep the subgrade separated from the fill. This allows construction of higher embankments with steeper side slopes. Tenkata Mirified geosynthetics use the latest innovations in engineering to produce stellar results in a variety of applications. And Tenkata continues to lead the way in innovative products like GeoDetect, the first smart geosynthetic using fiber optic technology to relay real-time information on soil deformation and strain. At Tenkata, going beyond expectations is how we do business. Through innovative problem solving, we complement our customers' focus. Our dedication to making materials that perform better than they have to is just the beginning. Our engineers partner with you to analyze your construction site problem and give you a Tenkata Mirify solution. By maintaining a progressive attitude and a knowledgeable and resourceful workforce, we will continue to produce products that are the most reliable in the industry. How will you define stability on your next project? Tenkata Mirified geosynthetics.
Nobody needs to tell you that geotechnical challenges are unique to the design process. You never know what's happening beneath the soil surface. And as most earthworks projects age, it's hard to tell how dire a situation is until it's too late. With a shift towards safer, more secure engineering, you want to use materials that will prevent failure, safeguard your project's long-term success, reduce uncertainty, and validate design. But past attempts to use monitoring technology in conjunction with soil structure reinforcement materials yielded unsatisfactory results. These strain technologies weren't designed specifically for geotechnical structures. You need something proven. Monitoring and early warning systems are becoming the norm in bridges and traditional building. If you could, why wouldn't you want to offer an early warning system that would ensure the safety of your earth structures and protect you against uncertainty and liability? One that could reliably monitor the stability and changes to an earth structure over a period of time. A proven solution that's not only easy to use, but highly accurate and long-lasting. Discover a new world of possibilities in geotechnical designs with GeoDetect from Tenkata, the global leader in geosynthetics. GeoDetect uses a composite geotextile fabric and a customizable network of fiber optic lines to create the most accurate geotechnical monitoring system on the planet. But unlike fiber optic only solutions, our distributed anchoring technology ensures against slippage for continuous, convenient, and reliable monitoring. GeoDetect monitors soil strain and subsurface temperature to forewarn against instability, erosion, and subsurface changes, validating your project's stability, safety, and performance. The Tenkata GeoDetect solution is durable, easy to install, weatherproof, and corrosion-resistant for long-term performance to provide you with actionable information. And with remote data acquisition through telemetry, getting up-to-date readings is simple and hassle-free. With Tenkata GeoDetect, you'll have reduced uncertainty and additional safety for critical structures, reduced cost of catastrophic failures due to early soil subsidence monitoring, no construction delays, reduced construction cost due to economic design, and a reduced carbon footprint by reducing materials and transportation costs. Where other products have fallen short, Tenkata GeoDetect has soared, with 6 years of proven effectiveness and dependability in the field. Listen to what industry experts are saying. GeoDetect is an innovation that combines the benefits of geosynthetic materials with the latest sensing and measurement technologies to provide owners with unique information that drives risk reduction, application expansion, and in some cases, cost reduction. I found Tenkata GeoDetect to be the only solution available to measure low strain in a soil structure. Safety, reliability, pinpoint accuracy. For proven results in forewarning instability, choose the GeoDetect system by Tenkata.
Tenkata, materials that make a difference. Transportation. It is the lifeblood of our economy, the pathway that unites our society, the very icon of freedom that fuels the American dream. Millions of miles of roadways that make transportation possible are constantly under attack, and the cracks and potholes that result threaten the efficiency of transportation. Tenkata is the global leader in developing systems and materials that make the roads you build and drive on ride better and more cost-efficient. Tenkata's complete range of geosynthetic and pavement interlayer products provide solutions to a variety of pavement problems. And we back this up with the most extensive engineering support and distribution network in the world. It is the goal of Tenkata to build durable roads through diverse solutions that save money and extend pavement life. When it comes to pavement performance, meet the enemies. Age, oxidation, traffic, and climate are the factors that destroy pavements. As pavements age, they oxidize, losing the properties that make them flexible. When a pavement loses its flexibility, it cracks under pressure. A hot, sunny climate makes pavements oxidize even faster. When surface water infiltrates into a pavement system and does not drain out quickly, the road structure weakens, creating potholes and accelerating fatigue, thermal cracking, and block cracking. A subgrade soil saturated just 10% of the time loses 50% of its load-carrying capacity. When traffic increases and exceeds the load and weight design, the pavement gets overstressed and cracks. As pavements age, all four of these enemies accelerate pavement deterioration and cracking. The most common surface treatment solutions to fighting these enemies are asphalt overlays and chip seals. However, no matter which enemy caused the pavement cracks, these cracks will propagate through the new surface treatments called reflective cracking. Your new surface begins to age, traffic increases, Surface water seeps into the reflective cracks, and the vicious cycle starts again. We cannot control the climate or traffic flow changes, but we can control their effects through the proper selection and application of pavement interlayers. Tenkata interlayers, when used with asphalt overlays or chip seals, will lengthen the life cycle and improve the performance of your pavement. Tenkata interlayers provide three primary functions: absorbing stress, barrier to moisture, reinforcement. Asphalt-saturated Tenkata interlayers absorb stress at the tip of an existing crack, reducing the size and number of reflective cracks in your new surface treatment. The moisture barrier created by an asphalt-saturated interlayer prevents water from entering the subgrade through the pavement surface and cracks, thus reducing the moisture content of the subgrade, while increasing the strength of the entire pavement system. It also reduces the stresses that cause cracking. Pavements ride better and last longer. When traffic loads increase and pavement height or thickness is a limiting factor, fiberglass reinforced interlayers provide your solution. Our reinforcing interlayers add load carrying capacity to your pavement without additional overlay thickness by combining the high modulus of fiberglass with the moisture barrier benefits of a paving fabric. Extreme temperature variations can create movements in pavement that are difficult to control. The high tensile strengths of our reinforcing interlayers help your pavement resist movement. The moisture barrier also reduces this movement, keeping surface water out of the subgrade. Tenkata interlayers are designed to work with the liquid asphalt that is appropriate for your climate. Colder climates offer an added challenge for the pavement designer. With this challenge, we offer several types of interlayers that will provide longer life in this environment. Our products can also be used with polymer-modified liquid asphalt to provide enhanced pavement life in severe environmental conditions. These modified tack coats are more flexible and resistant to cracking in cold climates and stiffer and more stable in hot climates. Tenkata, materials that solve pavement problems. At Tenkata, we take a hands-on approach to helping you get the right interlayer on the right pavement at the right time. Our industry experts are available to help you determine where Tenkata's interlayers will give you the best performance and save you the most money. Selecting the correct interlayer and tack coat for your application is based on the condition of your pavement, your climate, and the surface treatments available. Cracking varies depending on traffic load, age, oxidation, and climate. Whether using interlayers to reduce these stresses before cracks start, or minimizing the size and number of reflective cracks in an already deteriorated pavement, Tenkata has the solution that is right for you. Tenkata has the most extensive line of pavement interlayers available. Mirify MPV paving fabrics are heat-set polypropylene non-woven geotextiles. The 5 grades of MPV paving fabrics provide the range of waterproofing and stress absorption needed for the variety of pavement conditions and climates. TruePave paving mat is made of a blend of fiberglass and polyester fibers in an acrylic binding, providing higher tensile strengths at low strains. In addition to being a moisture barrier and stress-absorbing membrane, TruePave paving mat provides light reinforcement and enhanced millability. Mirify FGC is a composite fiberglass grid and paving fabric interlayer that provides heavy-duty reinforcement for increasing the load-carrying capacity of overstressed pavements and resisting the movement of concrete joints and freeze-thaw cracks. The coated fiberglass paving grid is engineered to provide high strength at very low strains. The grid is bonded to a paving fabric, preventing water from entering the subgrade and weakening the pavement section. Mirify PGMG is a high-strength reinforced paving fabric consisting of a mechanically bonded continuous filament non-woven interlayer made from 100% polypropylene and reinforced with glass filaments. It provides asphalt reinforcement by combining the high strength of fiberglass with the waterproofing benefits of a paving fabric. Mirify MTK is a cost-effective waterproofing membrane. A peel and stick release paper covers the self-adhesive mastic and is removed prior to installation. Mirify MTK is designed specifically as a moisture barrier for application on existing roadways and airport runways and taxiways to prevent water permeation. Tenkata's interlayers can be used under asphalt overlays, and all are millable. They offer specific solutions needed to stretch your maintenance dollars. For example, the use of MPV paving fabric under a chip seal has proven to be an incredibly successful, economical, and preventive maintenance solution. Fabric interlayers more than double the life of a chip seal by sealing the pavement, allowing the subgrade to become dry and strong, and eliminating future crack filling, therefore significantly increasing the service life of the pavement. You can see here, after 15 years, this interlayer has remained intact and is continuing to seal these cracks even after the chips have worn off. By adding a fresh chip seal, this pavement will be as good or better than new. Tenkata paving fabrics provide outstanding performance and increased cost savings. In fact, the difference in the life of a roadway with Tenkata interlayers versus one that does not use them can be double. Interlayers have an incredible success story. With more than 1 billion square yards installed and over 500,000 miles of improved road performance and extended lifespans. Our staff understands the demands created by increasing pavement maintenance needs and shrinking budgets. When you're on the road with Tenkata, you're on the road to success. Tenkata, materials and solutions that make a difference.